Hey guys, welcome back to Room 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're about for a brand new benchmark. It's Splatoon 2 for the PC. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. As usual, I play everything on the default settings because the whole point of the channel is just to show you that the game runs in the first place. And as you can see, Splatoon 2 definitely runs on the system quite well. Now, this is the first time I'm launching the game, so expect there to be frame drops when it's building shaders. But other than that, game runs fine. I was shocked to see that the game actually ran this well, to be honest with you. Let's walk around a bit. Let me build in the shaders before I decide to do much with it, and then we'll see what happens. I just completed the entire tutorial level. Played fine. Now this is being run on a capture card, so this is how the game naturally will perform, but let's get into it. Let's talk here real quick. Hey, I was coming to talk to you. I guess I'll go here then. I don't know. I want to be a squid kid too. Believe it. And all that jazz. But anyway, I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos lately. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Don't forget to smash that like button, man. And leave a comment down below again. Let's see me test next on the channel. I do RPCS3, cemu, YUZU, Xenia, even PC games to show you guys how to get games running on PC. I do them all here. Who knows what I'm gonna do next? I'm probably gonna do a lot of integrated graphics next though. Some low end stuff. Splatoon 2 seems to definitely run completely fine without issue though. Obviously, once again, to the building of shaders. It's a very, it looks like it has a lot of stuff to it, so I can see the shaders are gonna be a bit of a, But other than that, smooth sailing. Aimlessly wandering around, but I just got there. How can I be aimlessly wandering around? I literally just got there. Who? I'm pretty sure I'm imagining she was the girl from the news anchor thing at the beginning, but I totally just zoned out through all that, so I'm not really paying attention. Anyway, there's not much for me to talk about here in this video. It is taking up a bit of RAM. I'm shocked by that. It's taking up nearly almost all of my 8 gigs, which kind of sucks. It's taking up, look at the VRAM. It's taking up 3 gigs of VRAM alone. That's kind of insane, to be honest with you. I'm actually shocked that that's a thing. But here we are, we're going out now, and as you can see, we are trying to get that 60 FPS. Save the Zapfish. What, you thought I was linked to this to only 30? You thought wrong. What are these things? I don't know. But I will destroy them anyway, because I'm a squid kid now. Look at that, 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 look at that. You see that? Squid kid. Anyway, let's move on. Kinda sucks you can't sprint. Splatoon, man. I never played Splatoon before. Save 3 more Zapfish. What the hell is it? Now, the question here, right, we have to answer is, what the hell is a Zapfish? I wish I knew what that was. You know, because if I knew what it was, I could help. I could definitely do something about the thing that I know nothing about. I feel like you've done me wrong by me not knowing about the damn Zapfish. Oh, this is as big as the array gets. I was assuming this area was going to be bigger. I assumed wrong. Forgot I had those. So doing this does nothing, absolutely. I'm trying not to go too far in the game because it's just a benchmark, keep in mind. The goal here is to just do the benchmark. I just want to show you that it does maintain the 60 FPS for the most part. Wow, I threw that a bit too far off, huh? Why did... Oh no, I guess that can't be destroyed. Why does that take up so much of that though? In. Oh, okay. So I'm supposed to destroy these. Got it. Oh, that sucks. Why is he up there like that? I don't even know if I can get up there like that. I didn't learn how to do this. Okay, I got it. I'm a squid kid. I'm a squid kid. I know what we talking about these days. Yep, I know. Like I said, I'm a squid kid. Okay, how did I hit it the first time and I missed every single other one? That's kind of crazy, ain't it? I hit. Got it. There you go. Well, that was annoying. God. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Hey, come back. They kind of left. I'm a bit annoyed by that. But nonetheless. Yeah, like I said, there's not much to talk about here. I actually got kind of zoned up because the game was running quite fine with the 60 FPS. Without any issues, to be honest with you. I'm gonna guess a lot. I was gonna be like, I'm gonna guess the next one's up there, and then I realized to myself I can't even get up there. Here you are. Let's not do that, shall we? No, that's a question mark. That's useless to me. So yeah, I'm just gonna mute myself and just enjoy the rest of the gameplay of me trying to squirm around, trying to figure out what the heck I'm supposed to do with my life.